Hey, hi everybody, this is Neil, your mentor and guide for this exciting journey into Playwright with Python. Now, this course isn't just about the UI automation, it's a complete QA package. So, we will be diving into CI/CD with Jenkins, working with AWS command line interface, exploring Pandas library, handling the data structures, and even interacting with the Snowflake connector. So this is an overall QA automation package. So essentially, you are not just learning a tool; you are getting full stack experience and tailored specifically for the QA roles in today's job market. So coming on to why Python, why are choosing Python for Playwright? Why not Selenium? That's a great question. Python is known for its readability and simplicity, makes it appealing not just for developer but also for the business analysts, testers who want to quickly understand the flow of this automation script as well. It has gained massive popularity thanks to its clear syntax, a wide range of inbuilt methods, a thriving community, and it's naturally dealing with the data structures and automation scripting. As Python keeps on evolving, it becomes more and more suitable for day-to-day testing tasks, even beyond the UI. So, what I'm trying to say. Now let's talk on this debate why Selenium versus Playwright. The Selenium has been an industry standard for years and it's still going strong with constant contribution and updates from the community. But Playwright has truly changed the game back for Microsoft. It has bring some incredible features like auto waiting for the element, faster execution compared to Selenium, native support for the headless mode, seamless multi-browser support such as Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. When I say WebKit, it's the engine behind the Safari. So unlike Selenium, where you manually create a WebDriver context, when you create a WebDriver context, Playwright does it all for you within the behind the scenes, and you can run test headless or headed mode, whatever you like. It's a simple switch. It's just like making a true or false, and it's super handy for CI/CD setups as well. So if you want a speed, reliability, and less flakiness, go for the uh, playwright. That's the future where we are heading to. Now, another question you might ask: why Python, not JavaScript for playwright? See, now some of you would be questioning the same. Isn't the playwright was built with JavaScript? Yeah, that's true. Playwright originated in the JavaScript world. JavaScript still has larger slice of the job market when it comes to Playwright roles. Maybe like 70-30 ratio, if I had to say, in favor of JavaScript right now, even types. What Python does is it opens more doors just than browser testing. What you could do with Python, you can do API testing with some libraries, you can write SQL validation with some libraries, you can work on big data testing with some libraries, you can automate cloud infra such as AWS with some libraries. You are prepared for a DSA role. Huh? Isn't it a better option or an AI-based testing role? So these are just endless possibilities with the Python. So you can learn more on Python when we go along with the course. Are you ready to begin? Okay, so sit back and grab your keyboard. Be a part of the journey as we master Playwright with Python together. So what's next? So you would be asking, see, I have designed this course in a such a way that it would be easier for you to handle and grab things. So I have created multiple phases of this course. So first phase of this course is phase one into for the playwright and Python, which we have already delved into, and the other phase is like Python basics. So we'll directly jump into writing some UI automation. So this would be easier for you to grasp some little bit on Python as well. This would be for testers and beginners. So we will not delve into multiple things within the Python. So it's just a plain concept. Then I have designed a 2.1 of this as well. This would be on Python Advanced Learning. So it includes multiple things such as list comprehension, dictionary comprehensions, and much more Pythonic ways how you could deal with the string, how you deal with the arrays and multiple all these things. So basically, these would be majorly for the interview purposes. Another thing is phase three. it would be with Pytest and Playwright integration. So we will move more deeper into Playwright and Pytest. So how we do UI automation using Playwright and Python. Then we have phase four parallel execution and Jenkins integration. So by this we mean that we will be working along with Jenkins and how to do multiple executions at a time. So this is in general, like it would be running in the background. You just have to check in the reports that yeah, that has been done. And the phase five is nothing but, yeah, we'll deal with the AWS here with pandas and Snowflake integration. So these are three different libraries. First one is for AWS command line interface. Second one is for Pandas is for data structures, and the Snowflake is for Snowflake. It's a SQL library wherein we will test the SQL libraries as well. It's with the millions and millions of data, so we would be dealing with performance testing as well for the SQL database. So there are multiple avenues with Python, what I had said it before. So you would be asking what's next? Nothing. We will just install our IDE. We will use PyCharm here. It's easier to understand in there. Or you can use VS Code if you like. Then we will run some basic tests with the Python and Playwright concepts. So this is all for this current video. Hope you see the next video in few days. That's all for now. Just like this video and subscribe to our channel so that I can create more and more such videos for you. And bye for now.